What are you thinking about, Ben?
Akka, how does rain occurs?
Oh, you do not know how this rain occurs? I'm going to teach you about the water cycle. The first on the step is evaporation. Evaporation occurs because of the heat which is given by the sun. Next is condensation. The water which are taken from the gas which are taken from the sun are going into the clouds, which becomes water droplets and fall back to our earth. That is the process of raining. So this process repeats again. Do you understand?
Yes, Akka.
Okay, so for more understanding, I'm going to show you a video so you can understand.
Okay.
Okay. Let's watch the Dr. Byron show.
Ah, it's raining. Hey, have you ever wondered where the rain comes from? Or how the clouds are formed? Well, this is what the water cycle is all about. Come, let's explore. Zoom in. When the sun heats up the rivers and oceans, water becomes water vapor and it rises up in the air. This process is called evaporation. It is the first step of the water
Evaporation.
cycle. You too can see water vapor at home. Just tell your mummy to heat some water. And as the water gets heated, you'll be able to see the water vapor rising up in the air. When the water vapor reaches up in the sky, it turns into tiny droplets of water. These water droplets, along with various gases and dust particles, come together to form clouds. This is known as condensation. Now, hold a cold lid over the vessel in which you heated water. When you open the lid after some time, you'll be able to see water droplets on the lid.
See?
That's exactly what condensation is. When the cloud becomes too heavy and it cannot hold any more water inside,
It becomes water
bursts
droplets.
open to give out rain, hail, or snow. This is known as precipitation. As it rains, water gets collected in oceans, lakes, and rivers. It even seeps through the soil and becomes groundwater. Thus, water cycle is a continuous process of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Trivia time! Did you know that even plants sweat? That's called transpiration. That's why it rains more in places with more trees, like hill stations and
Okay, Ben, did you understand about the process of the water cycle?
Now I clearly understand.
Okay, so now let's do an experiment to try this out.
Okay, Akka.
Okay, so the things that we need is a bowl, a hot water, some ice, and a silicone wrap. So you have to pour the hot water into the bowl. After you put the hot water into the bowl, you have to wrap it in silicone wrap. Okay. The next step is to put the ice cubes on the silicone wrap to keep a cool atmosphere. Okay, so now we have to wait about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you'll be able to see the water vapor. what will happen?
Yes.
It will become to water vapor, right?
I can see it becoming water droplets.
Yes, a little bit. Okay, so did you know if you put water and then close the lid, if you put hot water and then close the lid and then just keep it for like a few minutes and then it will become water vapor too?
Yes.
So while we are waiting, we could talk about some other things that could create water vapor. When it's raining and you close the mirror, you can see the water vapor and then you can draw on it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's check on our... Okay guys, so as you can see, there's a little bit water vapor. See? So if you wait for a while, you can see more. Like this. Okay then, so I hope you understand more about the water cycle because I showed you a video and did an experiment. So now do you understand the answer for your question?
Yes, Akka.